Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change bank details on Amazon Seller Central. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and then access the Amazon Central website. Inside it, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, click on the settings gear icon at top right corner and then select Account Info from the drop-down menu. Once done, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, click on the bank information embed at the top and then enter your password for verification. Next, your current bank account will appear in front of you. Simply, click on the Replace button, select the target marketplace, and click on Replace. After that, choose the Add New Deposit Method feature and enter all of the changed bank details. Once the new method is added, remove the old one and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can change bank details on Amazon Seller Central. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.